Unraveling Coming Full Circle, a journey through language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Coming full circle. This expression has a fascinating background and a variety of uses in everyday conversation. Stick around as we explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it to enhance your English communication skills. Coming full circle refers to a situation where things return to their original position or state after going through a series of changes or events. It's like starting a journey, going through various experiences, and then ending up right back where you started, but with a new perspective or understanding. The concept of a circle completing itself is ancient and has been used in various cultures to represent completeness, wholeness, and infinity. In literature, the phrase, coming full circle, often signifies the end of a journey or a cycle, highlighting a return to the origins after a long period of change or adventure. 1. Personal growth. Someone might use the phrase after undergoing personal transformation, only to realize their true happiness lies in the simple things they started with. 2. Storytelling. In movies or books, a character might come full circle when they return to their hometown after years of travel, discovering what they were looking for was there all along. 3. Professional life. A professional might come full circle by starting their career in a company, exploring opportunities elsewhere, and then returning to the same company later in their career with newfound experience and insights. When you want to express that something or someone has returned to their original state or position after a long journey or series of events, you can say they have come full circle. It's a powerful way to convey the idea of growth, change, and ultimately, return or realization. And that's a wrap on Coming Full Circle. We hope this exploration of its meaning, origins, and uses has illuminated this fascinating phrase for you. Whether in personal growth, storytelling, or professional life, recognizing the moments that bring us full circle can enrich our understanding of journeys and outcomes. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.